Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal bulb on a 2006 Saturn Relay. This is my mom's van, and her turn signal went out. She couldn't find anyone to do it, and when I tried to find a video online, couldn't. So down here we have a little metal bar. Pull this up. It's like here. It goes right there. So that's one. And then come over here to this nut. And you're going to need a 10-inch socket on a socket wrench. And FYI, I know very little about cars. The reason I'm making this video is because you're like me and you need to fix things, but you don't know how to fix things. So it does come in handy to be able to look it up. And when I tried looking it up, I couldn't find any videos about it. Take this screw out. I probably struggled with this thing yesterday for several times. Now I already did change this. This is the bulb I took out of there. And I'll show you what the new bulb will look like. But, so you removed this. I set it over here. And then I removed that, and I put that over there, that way I didn't lose it. You need a long, straight edge. You're going to take it, you're going to pop it right here, and you're going to take this weather cutting stuff. Am I getting this? It's kind of hard to do this and hold the phone. Okay, you take this, I'm going to get this popped out. Be gentle with it. There we go. Got it loose. Okay. Now, you did that. Just give it a good yank. It's gonna pop out. It's not gonna come all the way out because it's still attached over here. But if you look down in there, you'll see not these top wires, but that other wires down there. Not this, but that. That is your headlight bulb. You're gonna reach in here. You put your hand in, you'll be able to get it, and you're just gonna put you down for a second. Okay, you're going to turn this, turn that bit that's all the way down in there. You're going to turn that towards the light. And then when you do that, you're going to pull it out. And then you'll bring it up. And you'll see, here's the bulb. This is a new bulb, of course, I put in yesterday. And then when you take it out, you just pull straight up and come out. And just go in and get a new one. Of course, this one is new. And you just pop back in there. You take this. I'm just going to fill around. You put it back in. Hold on a second. And then I turned it back the other way. Sorry, I can't show you how to do that because I just can't. I can't do both. And then you're just gonna pop that back in. Take the bar. You put the bar back. Wiggle it. Slide that over, it clicks. Take this, slide it in there. You take the socket wrench, turn it the opposite direction. You can just that is all you have to do is change the turn signal on a 2006 Saturn Relay. Hopefully this helps someone else out, because when I had to do it, I couldn't find anything online, and I'm not a mechanic. YouTube is my best friend, so I thought I'd post this video on here and let other people see how we do it.